Hey everybody, it's Annie here from the Perennials team at Tonkadale. Spring is here. We're bringing a fresh lineup of exciting new perennials for 2026, packed with color, texture, and plenty of wow factor for your garden. Let's start with hydrangeas, because honestly, can you ever have too many? Our new Dream Cloud features bright white mop head blooms that stay clean and rebloom all the way into fall. It's compact, disease resistant, and perfect for borders or foundation plantings, growing only about 3 to 4 feet tall and wide. It's basically a low maintenance dream. Next we have Spring Sizzle. It lives up to its name with vivid pink, rosy flower heads that last for weeks. If you're looking to turn heads, this one grows 3 to 4 feet tall and wide and absolutely delivers. Lastly, we have Monrovia's 100-year anniversary Centennial Ruby. This one brings bold ruby red blooms that deepen as the season goes on like a fine wine. With sturdy stems and reliable blooming, it reaches 3 to 4 feet tall and wide and looks just as good in containers as it does in the landscape. Next up is trees. We're also adding some incredible ornamental trees, and these really know how to make an entrance. The Catalpa umbrella tree forms a natural, perfect globe of large, heart-shaped leaves, no pruning needed. Yes, really. It grows 8 to 12 feet tall and wide and makes a bold, tidy focal point. Next up is Snow Fountain's cherry tree. It's all about drama in the best way, with graceful, weeping branches covered in snowy white blooms. It matures at about 8 to 15 feet tall and 6 to 8 feet wide and looks something like straight out of a spring postcard. Then we have the Kindred Spirit Oak, a tall, narrow, and incredibly versatile plant, perfect for tighter spaces. It reaches 25 to 30 feet tall, but only 6 to 10 feet wide, so you get all the height without sacrificing space. Lastly, Green Sleeves Coosa Dogwood. This brings elegance with creamy white blooms in the spring and fiery fall color, growing 15 to 20 feet tall and 12 to 15 feet wide. Do note, this is a zone 5, so it will need extra protection in the wintertime. Looking for shrubs that really show off? We've got you covered. Lotus Moon Pearl Bush produces masses of pearl-like buds that burst into white blooms each spring, creating a foundation of fountain flowers at 4 to 6 feet tall and wide. It's a total showstopper. Next up is Sergeant Pepper Dogwood. This keeps things interesting all year long, with bright red stems in winter and rich seasonal color, growing 4 to 6 feet tall and wide. Next up is the Mop Top Butterfly Bush. Now this is a zone hardy butterfly bush. It is compact, easy, and a pollinator favorite. With fragrant purple blooms all summer, it stays a manageable 3 to 4 feet tall and wide, perfect for smaller spaces. And if you love peonies, Royal Elegance and Sunset Tree Peonies bring these big romantic blooms in a tidy 3 to 4 foot package, ideal for adding a little garden drama. And of course, we couldn't forget about standout perennials. Phlox Olympus grows tall, 3 to 4 feet, with fragrant lavender pink blooms and eye-catching variegated foliage. It's a pollinator magnet and a garden centerpiece all in one. Next up is Hosta Curly Fries. This adds a fun texture with bright, rippled leaves staying about 6 inches tall to 12 to 16 inches wide, while Raspberry Sundae brings creamy centers and red stems at 10 to 12 inches tall and 18 to 22 inches wide. Now, shade gardens just got a lot more exciting. This variegated Brunera lights up a shady space with glowing foliage and delicate blue flowers growing 12 to 18 inches tall and wide. I love her. For bold summer impact, Hibiscus Watermelon Ruffles produces huge tropical looking blooms and grows 4 to 5 feet tall and 3 to 4 feet wide. Definitely not shy. And for some vertical interest, Kinsley's Ghost Honeysuckle climbs 8 to 12 feet tall with fragrant blooms that make your garden smell as good as it looks. No matter what your gardening style, sun, shade, cozy patio, backyard, these new arrivals are ready to shine. Stop in this spring to Tonkadale and let's find the plants that make your space feel like you. We got tons of new product this week. Stop on in and we'll be happy to help you find something you like. See you at Tonkadale.